Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use File in PUBG Lite. First, locate your PUBG Lite installation folder using File Explorer and ensure the game is closed. Then create a backup folder and copy any files you plan to modify. Next, verify file compatibility and replace only the intended files. Finally, launch the game and test changes step by step, restoring backups if anything goes wrong. Start by organizing your files in a dedicated workspace on your computer and keep the game closed while working. Rename original files with a clear suffix like .org to mark backups. Use trusted tools to extract archives and confirm file integrity before moving anything into the game folder. Make small, incremental changes and document each step so you can reverse actions quickly if the game behaves unexpectedly. When applying changes, move one file at a time into the PUBG Lite directory and avoid bulk replacements that complicate troubleshooting. Keep the game closed during each transfer and set file permissions if needed so the game can read them. After each change, open the game and check for visual or performance issues. If you notice problems, revert to your backup immediately and try a different version of the file or a different approach.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.